and or welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today's video is going to be all about this super glam festive Christmas look that I created for you guys today. I love this look. The eyes are amazing. I love this kind of like cool liner effect that I tried to do. The lips are amazing. This is one of the Juvia's Place liquid lipsticks. This is the Afrique. This is bomb. Like, it's such a bright red. Like, this is perfect for any Christmas or any holiday party that you have to go to. This lip here is it. So, without blabbing on even more than I already usually do, if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. But before all of that happens, please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, as well as subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Your support is greatly appreciated. So yeah, let's just jump right into today's tutorial. Okay guys, so this is the final look finished. I love it. Do you love it? Let me know down below. I did struggle a little bit with the wings. Wings are not my thing. However, I have been trying a couple of new like eyeshadow techniques along with these kind of like graphic liner. I have been playing around with those kinds of things just to kind of step up my game a little bit. So I say A for effort, and hopefully I get better in the future. But overall, I think that this is a really beautiful look. You definitely don't have to do every single thing that I did if you think it's too much, but I definitely think that this is, it just screams classic Christmas look, and I love it. It just has a little bit of a twist, but it still looks really, really good to me. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys have been enjoying all of my videos for the 12 days of Christmas challenge that I am doing. I kind of don't think I'm gonna get to do 12 videos because I've just been really, really busy and filming has been really, really difficult. However, I'm gonna put out as much as I can, and I just hope you guys enjoy and appreciate what, you know, the content that I do end up putting out. But without further ado, this will be the end of today's video. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Happy holidays!